Hi, Nitin here from PropCheckup.com. Today I will show you how the proper window lock working is essential or necessary to security of your house. Today we are inspecting one of the premium and the good projecting cooling. So I will show you how the improper or non-functional lock could cause the security hazard to your house. There is a whole window I am showing you. It's already locked from here. You can see this. It's already locked here from here also. There is no issue. Now I'm locking this area of that window. Here is that how locked this. Now you could see there is no any opening from here for this lock. But now I will show you. This is the improper or non-functional lock. So I could easily go inside this flat without hampering the any side locks of this window. It's very necessary. Once again, I show you how is the lock is working. So this is the lock. It's a lock of this window. So now this area is locked. But just I take this one, this becomes this issue. So it's a very hazardous, a security hazard, or a very risky thing for your house security. So we request you to take a proper home inspection with the technical expertise team like we have with us with the latest tools and technology. So we'll advise you to take the home inspection before moving your flat. Thank you.